welcome back to my YouTube channel Driven Daily. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting. A vehicle that's been creating serious buzz among SUV lovers and adventure seekers alike, the 2027 Ford Everest. Now, this isn't just another facelift or minor update. This feels like a bold step forward, blending rugged capability with a much more refined, almost premium personality. From the very first glance, the 2027 Everest looks more aggressive and confident. The front fascia is sharper, with a redesigned grille that gives it a wider, more planted stance. The LED headlights are slimmer and more futuristic, almost giving the SUV a focused, determined expression. You also get more sculpted lines along the body, which not only improve aerodynamics, but also add to that muscular SUV presence. It feels like Ford wanted this to stand out both in the city and out in the wild. Step inside, and you'll notice immediately that the cabin has taken a big leap forward. The interior feels more upscale than ever before. Soft touch materials, a cleaner dashboard layout, and a large vertical touchscreen dominate the center console. The infotainment system is quicker, smoother, and packed with features. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital instrument cluster, and improved voice commands that actually understand what you're saying. It's clear that Ford is aiming to compete not just with rugged SUVs, but also with premium ones. Comfort has also been improved significantly. The seats feel more supportive, especially for long drives, and there's better space management for passengers in the second and third rows. This makes the Everest a solid choice for families who want both comfort and adventure. Noise insulation has also been upgraded, so even at higher speeds or rough terrain, the cabin stays impressively quiet. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Everest has always had a strong reputation. The 2027 model is expected to come with refined engine options, possibly including an upgraded turbo diesel and even a hybrid variant. This means better fuel efficiency without sacrificing that strong torque you need for off-road driving or towing. The 4x4 system has also been enhanced, offering smarter terrain management modes that adapt automatically depending on the surface you're driving on, whether it's sand, mud, rocks, or snow. One of the most interesting parts about this new Everest is how it balances technology with capability. You've got advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even semi-autonomous driving features on highways. But at the same time, it hasn't lost its rugged DNA. High ground clearance, strong suspension setup, and improved water wading capacity make it a serious off-road machine. Safety is another area where the 2027 Everest shines. With multiple airbags, a stronger chassis, and updated safety tech, it's designed to keep you and your passengers protected in all kinds of conditions. Whether you're navigating city traffic or exploring remote trails, there's a strong sense of confidence behind the wheel. Overall, the 2027 Ford Everest feels like a complete package. It's bold, capable, comfortable, and packed with modern features. It's no longer just about going off-road, it's about doing everything, and doing it in style. If you're someone who wants a vehicle that can handle daily driving, long road trips, and weekend adventures without compromise, this might just be the SUV to watch. Let me know what you think about the new Everest. Would you choose this over its rivals? And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Driven Daily for more automotive content like this.